When identifying a continuous function's domain and range, we first need to find its starting point and ending point for each category. For domain, the farthest value to the left, or its smallest value, lines up on both of its endpoints at an x value of -3. And then its largest value lines up with an x value of 5. So with this continuous function, meaning that there is no break, we know that our values are going to be between -3 and +5 for our domain. The way we show this is we want to put our smallest value first. And we will use an inequality symbol to show that this is less than our given values. We are referring to x, so we will just say our given values are x. Now, the other end, our largest value, is a part of the line that includes the value. So whenever this happens, we must show that that x is less than or equal to our largest value, which is 5. When dealing with domain range, we follow the same logic. I'll use a different color this time as I draw. The highest point that our graph goes has a y value of 2. And the lowest point that it goes is a -2. So using that same logic, we want to start with our smallest value. Since it is an open end to the interval, we are not including the value. So our smallest value being -2, and it does not include the -2. Our range is any number that is our y values. So we're saying that -2 is less than y. And our largest value ends up on the other side. Y is less than our largest value, which is 2. So how these two are both set up. For our domain, we're saying that -3 is less than x. We're saying that x is any number above -3. Now on the other side of this, we have x is less than or equal to 5. So at the same time that we were saying that x is any number above -3, we are also saying that it is any number below, including 5. So this is how we create our continuous function. And then we do the same logic for our range. -2 is less than y, which means that y is anything above -2. And then y being less than 2 shows that it's anything below 2. In this case, to tell if this is a function, we can use the vertical line test, as I showed with my endpoints. There are 2 points that cross a vertical line, so this would be not a function. For our reasoning, if I can get the right size, our reason, we can say it fails the vertical line test.